Today we are talking about what is FlatList and how we can use. So FlatList is a component of React Native framework used to render large data list, and it can efficiently render only the visible items on the screen. We can use for memory and improving performance of the list. And how we can use. So here is the basic class. This is our list. So firstly we need to import FlatList from React Native. So FlatList required two properties. First is render. First is data, and second is render item. Data is the source of information for the list, and render item takes one item for the source and return a formatted component to render. So we have to put list and render item. It returns item or index both, but we need only the item. We need to create a function for print the list. Return get item inside the object, because list is array of the object. Console.1 item. We can see the list of items in a simulator. So item.name. See, this is the item of name, and similarly run. See, if I scroll up or scroll down, so here the vertical scroll indicator is showing. So how we can hide this? One more props in FlatList, that is show vertical scroll indicator. This is by default true. We can give false. So vertical scroll indicator is not showing right now. So that is our FlatList. If we want to use horizontal, FlatList basically works on a vertical way, but if we use the horizontal, so list is vertical. You can show. Thank you very much.